Hey guys, welcome to using the videos Matchbox Styles. Matchbox
Alright.
opening Matchbox.
Well, you better watch. Let's watch Daniel opening this Matchbox.
Opening
Unpack it now, Joe. There we go. This is new. We just bought it at SM. Show it to them. Show it to them. Ooh, I like the speed of sound. Speed of sound. I mean the sound of that speed. Speeding car.
Speed. I'm speed.
See how cool it is? Oh, it's a, what do you call that car?
It's a police
It's a
car.
police car from my store. It's a
Police
police car.
car.
Look at that. Look at the front. Here's the front of it.
A police car of my store.
Of my store. You can have it only from exclusively from my store.
From my store.
Yeah. Is it metal? Made of metal? Like
Made
us?
of metal.
Is it metal? Oh yeah, it's
Lie!
it's hard. It's a police car, but not a police car in the Philippines, but police car in other country. Yeah. So what else? That's all. That's all we have.
That's all we have.
A masto, and that's not a masto. That's a matchbox.
That's a matchbox.
It's a matchbox. It's a matchbox pala. So that's it. That's all we have for today. It's Matchbox Police Car.
Police car.
Say goodbye now.
Bye.
Pindot.